It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. Why do dogs yawn? What does it mean? Yawning is perfectly normal for dogs. It's normal behavior in most vertebrates, including primates, horses, penguins, fish, cats, and even snakes. While tiredness or boredom seem to be common reasons for human yawning, what about dogs? Are they just bored, or could it mean something else? Let's talk about it right now. 1. What does it mean when a dog yawns? It turns out that tiredness and boredom don't fully explain why dogs yawn. There are many theories about the function of yawning, including physiological and emotional/sociological functions. Physiological reasons. Physiologically, some studies suggest that yawning may play a role in stimulating the nervous system. Yawning could also cool down the brain when its temperature rises. In dogs, yawning occurs during moments of transition from one behavioral state to another, such as wake up, fall asleep, go from a state of anxiety to a state of calm, go from boredom to alertness. Emotional and sociological functions. Simply put, dogs yawn when stressed. Yawning is one of the many signals dogs use to calm down when stressed or restless. A dog can feel stressed when go into a veterinary clinic, witness or hear a fight in the home, it is held or held tightly, he is hugged by a child. For example, a stressed dog who is yawning could also be licking his lips and/or tucking his tail, ears back, and keeping his gaze averted or wide-eyed. It is recommended that you stay with your dog during routine veterinary exams. Yawning can also be contagious, and this is true for dogs, primates, and horses. Yawning in dogs may well show that they can experience empathy. In a recent study that described the contagious effect of humans yawning, they found that dogs yawn more often when they see their owner yawn compared to seeing an unknown person yawn. This indicates the emotional closeness of dogs with their owners. This implies that dogs are aware of themselves and also of the feelings of others. 2. What does it mean when a dog yawns a lot? If you see a lot of yawning along with some of the other stress indicators, tail tucked, ears back, avoidance, cowering, looking away, lip licking, big eyes, etc., you can assume that your dog is feeling fearful, insecure, anxious, or stressed about the outcome of the interaction or situation. A stress yawn is accompanied by a body that is neither relaxed nor sleepy and may indicate that the dog may be feeling anxiety, as if he needed to release tension, as if he needed to avoid conflict, as if he needed a break. When you see your dog yawning a lot and showing other signs of stress, you need to help him feel better. 3. How do you help a dog that keeps yawning? Never force your dog to interact with a person, a child, or another dog. Preventing your dog from leaving the situation or allowing a person to continue to approach can make the situation more intense. The dog may be forced to use more overt signs of fear, anxiety, and stress to request distance, such as growling and biting. If your dog looks scared and yawns a lot, here are some simple and basic things you can do to help. Avoid situations that are stressful or make your dog fearful. Leave your dog home when attending loud or crowded events, such as a parade or fireworks display. Create a safe space for your dog. Give him a quiet room with background noise and special puzzles, treats, and toys. Know your dog's signs of fear, anxiety, and stress and help him feel safe. Move your dog away from frightening stimuli. Ask the approaching stranger to stop approaching. Move your dog to a quiet place with less frightening stimuli. If fear and stress are part of your dog's daily life, gradually help him feel less fearful of his particular triggers. Create positive associations, teach and reward new behaviors. In some cases, a veterinary behaviorist or trainer can help you with this. Theories about the function of the yawn abound, but one thing is clear: the yawn is a nonverbal signal that can serve multiple functions in many different species, including dogs. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.